Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also remember to give me a thumbs up after you finish my video and you like my video. And today I'm got another unboxing with you guys. Are you guys quite excited because this is from a special collection from Hermes? Yeah, so I was quite lucky to get this piece, so I shall share with you guys the happiness of getting this special piece from Hermes. Okay, today I'm wearing this wool top. This is from Christian Dior, and also my track pants. This is from Kenzo. Yeah. Okay. Without further ado, let's start with today's exciting unboxing because I also very excited about this piece, and I think I am quite lucky to get hold of this piece because I think there is a long waiting list for this piece, and also I don't think if you have purchased enough from MS, they will give you this piece. Yeah, because this my SA is quite nice because my SA know that it's my birthday, so and my SA he gave me a call to let me know that after I show interest that I say I keen to get this piece. After he get hold of it, he just called me. I think within after I told him, I think I get this around a month later. So I was quite lucky because in such a short time I able to get this piece which I didn't expected it. Yep. Okay, without further ado, let's start with today's unboxing. Okay, as you guys can see, it's a very small piece. This box, actually I was quite shocked also when I saw the box. I was thinking, oh my god, is it very small? Yeah, indeed it's small, but yet it's, from what I heard and seen, the feedback that this bag can contain quite a lot of item, although it's small. So, and this is the receipt, yeah, from MS. Yeah. Okay, so before you can see I really like their packaging. It's so nice before you unbox it. Yeah, and oh, actually I noticed something. Maybe I show you all nearer before I unbox it. I saw that the ribbon, they written MS2020. So I assume, I'm not sure whether this ribbon is it they specially come out for this year. Maybe I show you all nearer first of this box, so you guys can see. Okay, maybe I put it this way, so you can see there, right? MS2020, which is this year, this ribbon. So I think it's quite special. I just noticed that, so you guys can see MS2020. Yeah, so this ribbon I think is the specially maybe they for this year those customer who bought it. Yeah, okay, so without further ado, let's do the unboxing together. I'm quite excited also. Okay, I think you guys will know what is this because already seen from the heading. So let's start with today. Okay. Okay, I think this is the care booklet from MS. Yeah. So this is the standard care booklet from MS itself. Yep. Let me put this aside. Okay, I remember when I collect this bag, it was in a bubble bag. So the SA unwrap it in front of me. It's really a new piece that no customer have seen it before. Okay, so as standard, this come with dust bag. Oh, it smells really good. Yeah, so this is the MS dust bag. I like the dust bag very much because it's really good quality. Okay. Are you guys excited? Yeah, I was really excited because my SA told me he got this special piece for me. This is the mini Evelyne TPM. You can call it TPM or mini Evelyne. Yeah, so and the size is, I think, is 18 inches. So definitely it's a good size, although it's small, but it's a good size bag. And this color is Ito. Yeah, so this is like the beige color, which you can see is quite easy to match. And my SA told me that this color is really high sought after for this design. So, and also it's quite special. It comes with a gold hardware. So there are also silver hardware also, but this is come gold hardware, and also white stitches. So the stitching is really very good and very nice. And this is like the punctured hole HMS, which stands for this MS logo. Yeah, so but there is some story behind it. I heard by right this bag should be carried in this way. So because this part is the for the bag to so-called like the breathing spot, so it won't be so hot close to your body. So but most of the people, they will carry this way because this is the logo. But if you want to be a bit low profile, you just carry this way. Yeah, correct. Okay, so and it doesn't come with zip anything. It just come with a button on behind. So the open closure is just the button itself. Yeah, so let's see inside. Okay, inside is also it's a bare leather without any finishing except the front. Okay, so let us take a look at this one. This is the strap. Okay, so this strap, they call it, this is a special collection. This is the in Amazon. This is called Amazon strap. And it's come with a gold hardware. Yep. So it matches the bag. So there is some of the Evelyne, the bag, the strap is same color, but this is a big special collection. This strap is called Amazon. So which I think there is also other design. The strap is in wave form, or else if you do not want, you can also change it. So let me put on the strap first and show it to you guys. Actually, there is still plastic on, but I didn't remove it yet first. So let me put it on because I already tried it before I bought this bag. So actually there also embossed MS at this side of the strap. Yep. So let me put it on first. Yeah, so you guys can see. Yeah, so I quite like this design. For me, I like this length coincidentally. Because if let's say most of the ladies, they wear this bag, it will be hitting their backside because it's quite long. But for me, it's just nice. For me, it's like just in front. So, and this color to me is quite cool. So I prefer it to be a bit shorter. But if you want to sling, you also can able to. But then for me, I will cross body this way. And also, if let's say I do for traveling, it's quite easy also because it's in front, it's also quite safe. Yeah, so as for actually this bag, because inside is bare, so I recommend you to can get the internal portion to put inside bag, and it will be protecting the bag as well as, because this side, if you're going to, you can use another color, which I thinking to get orange. So you will get it in this way. So in behind the H you can see it's orange color. Or else I will also get in blue also to go with this. So this I yet to get the internal. So shall look around first. Yeah. So let me show you guys nearer so you guys can take a look of this special piece of this Hermes Evelyne mini. Yeah, because my SA told me this is quite this piece is actually quite rare. Yeah, so let us take a closer look. Okay, so this is how the back look like. Okay, so the front part, so you can see the stitching, and also this part is where the emboss is, the number of this, the MS number. So the white stitches, so the front, this is the side. Okay, so this is the part where I mentioned on the strap there is embossed MS there, and this is the gold hardware. You can see the plastic still on. Okay, and also this is the back. This is the back, and this is the button gold hardware also. Yeah, so you just close it, you just click on. Yep. So and it's as for the internal, it's quite so-called it's bare leather, so it's better recommend to get a protector, yeah, to protect the bag. Yeah, so inside there is no pocket at all, it's just a open top, then inside you can just reach it easily. So, and also this is the strap, which is Amazon in navy blue. Yep. Okay, I'm very excited about today this unboxing because my SA told me it's really rare and difficult to get this piece mini Evelyne at this point of time. So I was really happy I able to get it for my birthday bucket list, to hit my bucket list. Yep. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video today. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and remember to click the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Yeah, take care guys, see you, bye bye.